Find out how to turn ordinary food items
into this. A delicious gourmet meal cooked right in your dormitory. Just a few simple items, we're good to go. Let's get started. Bam! Oh yeah, that's right, I said it, that's right. Hey folks, with just a few items, we're gonna make a wonderful gourmet meal, the best you could ever make in a dorm. And it's gonna be perfectly legal. We're gonna start out with a few items. Some simple white bread. A jar of your favorite spaghetti sauce. The Italian combo, personal favorite. And noodles. Your choice, big ones, skinny ones, small ones, who cares, doesn't matter. And you're gonna need a microwave bowl, and of course, a dorm microwave. We're gonna pretend we're in the dorms. So, what you're gonna do is fill this up with hot water. Now, depending on the microwave you're going to be using, this might take some time. You want to bring this water to a boil. Make sure you have a cover and an actual microwave bowl. Yes, I know anything will go in the microwave, doesn't mean it's microwavable. Bam! Ready! Now, you want to be careful. Make sure the water is boiling, but don't get it on you. Alright, so now we got our boiling water and our noodles. Little trick, take the noodles.
Oh my
Turn them
bag!
over something, break them in half. Take an appropriate amount. Add to the boiling water. Bam! Stir it around. Add a little salt. And let it boil for another 5 minutes.
This is taking too long.
Okay. It's done. Oh, perfect, perfect. Nice and soft. Now we gotta get rid of the water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take an ordinary styrofoam plate, or you got a styrofoam bowl, which is even better. Put some holes in it. Fast forward also. Bam! 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 Now you're gonna have to let the water cool. You might want to add some cold water to that water to cool it down. Take the styrofoam bowl and plate. Get to the sink. Who needs mom and dad? Perfectly done noodles. Now, next step. Get another microwavable bowl. Take your spaghetti sauce. Shake it out. Add the amount you need. And you want to keep it covered in the microwave so it doesn't splatter everywhere. Just a few minutes should do. Done. Now again, this is going to be hot, but not too hot. Now comes the secret ingredient. Just like Mama used to make it. See? Home style meatballs. Good.
That's disgusting.
All you have to do, add how many you like. A whole lot. Mix them up. While we're doing that, let's get on to the gourmet French toast. Come on. Okay. Now, we all know that having a toaster or anything else that makes a flame is illegal in the dorm. So we're out in the pretend parking lot here to show you how to make some gourmet French toast. We have Mr. Lighter and Mr. Bread. Get a close-up of this one. Let's see Emerald live this. Oh yes, oh yes, nice and toasted. Perfectly brown. Just about got it. Oh, perfectly golden brown. And let's finish this meal off. So all that's left to do is to add the spaghetti sauce to the noodles. Bada bing. Doesn't that look delicious? Wonderful home cooked meal right in your own dorm room, and it only took 2.5 hours. Doesn't that beat going to the cafeteria any day? Hey, this is Zeke saying, BAM! See you next time on the Dorm Cooking Network.